are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.